Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangmau Loong boleh keren buat Menteri Rangba Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma halor ke jingmi jingjai kan ad Khanduli West Giant Hills District keberi kewai ni jaka banyak penbetput hak phase 2. Habakran cikilat patai kubur Loong bakajing keren kaput kanam ketak setia namar kete jingjia buat Loong ru bakan dan kejing jurep ringkat na baro anut ki Menteri Rangba hakikat tu kat ni jaka banyak penbetput.
So let me just share with you that I have been in constant touch with the Assam counterpart. We are going to meet in a couple of weeks, definitely before the month end. We have also decided together that a joint visit will be made, especially to these sensitive zones, to build up the confidence of the people and also to ensure that we ask our respective administrations and our respective citizens and respective areas and officials concerned to restrain from any kind of action that could lead to situations getting tense. So we will be making a joint visit to these locations. Not all, but to certain locations.
Whether this kind of incident will affect this second phase of border talks?
See, for the last 50 years, these things have been going on. What we need to understand is that the reason the border talks are going on is precisely so that these kind of incidents don't happen. You have to understand that that is exactly what the objective is. Today, these kind of incidents are happening because there is areas of differences. So we realize that it is even more important for us to now try and find a solution at the earliest so that none of these kind of incidents happen in the future.